Hello guys, our vlog for today is papunta po tayo sa Port Apaga Falls dito lang sa Claveria, Cagayan. Anyway, kasama ko ang team ko, One Ilocos Riders Club. Nasa boundary na po tayo ng Ilocos Norte at ang Cagayan. Okay, nasa harap na po tayo ng Welcome Cagayan. Ang ganda dito, grabe. Okay, let's go!
Coming from your lips, babe. Music to my ears, making the whole place okay. Girl, you are my Friday, a reason to get my thanks. I love every part of you. Can we slow down? Girl, I don't wanna miss a thing. Ibigin kita mas sa teatro po ay limitado. Bawat kislap ng mata'y kawal.